Hi guys, this is a quick video about what is npm and what is it used for. So in one of my previous videos about npm auto-publishing with GitHub workflows, link somewhere in the pew, somebody asked me, what is npm? They are not software developers, they don't know what npm is, so I just thought to do a quick little video about just go a quick little run through on what npm is. So npm is basically a package manager for JavaScript, and it's also the default package manager for node.js. In simple terms, the way I can think about npm is that it is both a librarian and a library. In this case, not a coding library, but literally like a book library. So if we think of npm as a librarian and I am a developer and I have my little backpack and I'm like, I'm gonna check out the latest book for Mars in the Netherlands, whatever that means, but anyways. So I go to a librarian and say, hey, how you doing? Can I have the latest, I forgot the name, hold on. Oh, I think it was called something about Mars in the Netherlands. And then the librarian goes, sure, why not? We have a million of them. Why? Because we have a 3D printer. Sure, let's go with that. So then the librarian goes, gets the book from the library, gives it to you for free, and all is well. Now, let's say that that is for a public library. For a private library, you may need a new library shining gold card to be able to get into that private collection that only my friend lets me in, hopefully. Anyways, let's assume that you have the private pass, in this case a token, to enter into that private library. So then you'll be able to check out those books, and then awesome, you can use them. The other methodology is that you create your own book and you check it in and deliver it to the librarian to provide to everybody else in the world to utilize, or if you want your private collection as well. Well, that's basically it when it comes to the basic things of what npm is. npm has a lot of CLI commands, a lot of stuff that you can do with that CLI package. So just play around with it, see what you can do with it, and just go have fun.